should have started it.
I did. Hi friends! Today I am going to be doing a vegan haul because your girl is trying to start transforming into veganism. I don't know if that's the right word, but it's the word we're gonna go with. We just went to a store called Fresh Thyme, and it's kind of like they call themselves the farmer's market store. It's really similar to Trader Joe's, definitely like closer to Trader Joe's, thankfully, because we don't have one in our town. I'm just going to show you guys everything that I got because this is like, I would say, my first intentional vegan haul. I just realized I didn't get any beans like at all. I'm gonna have to go get beans. Alright, can I help you? So the first thing that I got is this fruit and veggie brush. This is actually from Walmart because we stopped there after, and this is literally just to clean my veggies because I don't have a brush at all. Now we're on to the Fresh Thyme haul. So I got some potatoes because I also bought a mat from Amazon, and I'll insert a picture right here. It's like a silicone mat, I believe, and you use it to make French fries in the oven. Could you keep it down?
What is he doing? What is wrong with his skin?
He's mad because I picked him up. Anyway, a vegan YouTuber that I watch uses this mat to make like crispier potatoes in the oven, or crispier French fries in the oven. So I ordered that and then needed to get some potatoes for my first try for my French fries. I just realized I have nowhere to put my stuff except for directly on the floor, so that's great. Next, I got some bananas because I love bananas. They're like the only fruit that I can like consistently, continuously eat, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I got some Beyond Meat beef crumbles. These are like the beefy kind. I don't know. I wanted spaghetti, and I saw the spaghetti picture. This is also the brand that makes like the Beyond Meat burgers, which like everyone raves about and says that it's really accurate, so I wanted to try these. And next I got Dr. Prager's All-American Veggie Burgers. So I'm still on a hunt for a good like vegan burger that I like, that is actually like close to a burger, but this looked pretty promising. It's not like black bean or anything. So it doesn't seem like it's going to be spicy. I'm excited to try this because it looks very promising. Weakness is just like a big juicy cheeseburger, honestly. Like, it's bad. Next I got some fire roasted diced tomatoes. I am going to try to make a few different recipes using these. Next I got the Ripple dairy free unsweetened vanilla pea milk. I really like soy milk, but I've also heard some like not so great things about soy milk in terms of hormones and things like that, so I figured I would try this out. We'll see how it goes. I got a lot to drink, so that's my problem, is I go to these healthy places and I'm like, ooh, drinks, and like just get like juices all the time. Anyway, so they had some fresh from their juicery juice, which was like super exciting to me. So the first kind that I got is the green thyme blend. It's made with kale, spinach, cucumber, parsley, apple, and lemon. And then this one is the watermelon juice. It's literally just watermelons, lemon juice, and water. Then I got lemonade with mango. This has lemons, mangoes, organic cane sugar, and water. And this is the red thyme blend. The other one was a green thyme, and this is a red thyme. And this is beet, apple, parsley, celery, spinach, cucumber, lime, and ginger. There's ginger in this. Shoot. I'm a baby when it comes to spicy things. Definitely not my favorite thing. Next, I got this infused water. They had a bunch to choose from, and they're like super cute because like they've got the fresh fruit sitting in there still. This is the pineapple mint infused water, which I'm excited to try. And then I got 2 kombuchas from Hum. These ones are my favorite. It's a strawberry lemonade. I think that these taste like the strawberry Welch's soda, so obsessed with these. And I also got a matcha. This is the mint matcha. I'm excited and nervous to try this. I've never tried matcha, but it's really good for you, so I'm excited to see if I like it. Alright, I think that's all for the drinks, thank God. Next I got some nutritional yeast. I again saw the vegan YouTuber that I watch. I saw her use this on a ton of different stuff for her like cheese. It brings a cheesy flavor to everything, so I figured I would get a small amount and try it out. So it was literally like 50 cents for this much, so yeah. And then the next two things I'm really excited for because I keep hearing all about these, and I didn't want to order like an entire pack and not like it, but they had like individual packets that you could purchase of the Four Sigmatic mushroom coffee. And this is the original mushroom coffee with lion's mane and chaga, and that's what it looks like. You just add it to like 7 ounces of hot water. They also had the chaga mushroom elixir, which a lot of people really love too. I'm gonna have to see exactly how I want to use this. It says you can mix it with water or you can mix it in smoothies. I might just mix it into smoothies, I'm not sure. These are supposed to be really good for getting you like away from coffee, and this way I could try it without buying an entire package, like box of like 20, so I'm excited to try that. Is that everything I got? I think that's everything I got. Okay, there was my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm excited to see how I like the vegan recipes I'm going to be getting into. Same. And I know I didn't get a lot of food this time, mostly juice, but I still really liked the atmosphere of Fresh Thyme, so I think I'm going to start going to that place more. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I'll see you guys all in my next video, and in the meantime, make sure to spread some positivity. Bye guys.
That's the haul, y'all. You better like keep that in, but that's pretty good.